Hey everyone, if you're running an online store, you know that every single second counts. Today, we're going to dive deep into a decision that is absolutely critical for your business: how to choose the fastest WooCommerce hosting for 2025. So let's start with a really direct question. Take an honest look at your store. Are your sales just not quite where you want them to be? It's a super frustrating feeling, right? And you're probably trying to figure out some complex reason why. But what if the answer is simpler and, frankly, more damaging than you think? A slow website is a silent business killer. No joke. It scares away customers, it absolutely tanks your search engine rankings, and it just creates a terrible experience for anyone who visits. The bottom line is, speed isn't just a nice little feature, it is the very foundation of your success. Okay, so if slow speed is the problem, what's the solution? Well, it's not just any hosting. It's a specialized type of hosting, one that's built from the ground up for the unique demands of e-commerce. This is what we're talking about: WooCommerce hosting. Think of it like this. Regular hosting is like a family sedan. It gets the job done, you know? But WooCommerce hosting, that's a high-performance race car, tuned for one thing and one thing only: making your online store fly. It comes ready to handle huge traffic spikes, secure all your transactions, and get your products in front of customers at lightning speed. So, what should you actually be looking for? This slide right here is basically your shopping list. You need rock-solid uptime and performance. Your store has to be on. You need smart caching, which is kind of like having your best sellers right by the front door, ready to go. You also need things like SSL for security and a CDN, a content delivery network, to make your site load fast for everyone, everywhere. And yeah, don't forget good support, because you will need it, and the ability to grow without everything crashing down. Keep these in mind as we meet the top players. All right, now for the main event. We're going to do a rapid-fire review of the fastest, most reliable WooCommerce hosting providers out there right now in 2025. Let's see who makes the cut. First up, we've got Cloudways. Now, if flexibility and raw power are what you're after, this is a name you've got to know. They have a really unique approach where they let you pick from top cloud providers like Google Cloud and AWS. What really makes them stand out is the whole package. You get a tech setup that's totally optimized for speed, you only pay for what you use, and you get that peace of mind that comes with having expert support watching your back. It's a really powerful mix for a growing store. And the entry point for all that power? It starts at just $11 a month, which is a very, very competitive price for this level of managed cloud hosting. Next up, let's talk about a true community favorite. Meet SiteGround. These guys are officially recommended by both WordPress and WooCommerce, which says a lot about their amazing balance of performance and affordability. SiteGround is all about making things fast and easy without breaking the bank. They throw in speed tools like a CDN for free, setup is an absolute breeze, and their customer support is, frankly, legendary. This is a fantastic, fantastic choice for anyone just starting out or running a small to mid-sized shop. And their price? Get this, it starts at just under $3 a month. That is an absolutely incredible value for the features you're getting. All right, let's shift gears and head over to the premium end of the lot: WP Engine. This is for folks who are dead serious about performance and scale. We're talking the enterprise-grade solution here. With WP Engine, you're not just buying hosting, you're investing in an entire performance platform. It's a premium choice for sure, because you get that top-tier speed, Fort Knox-level security, and a ton of powerful tools for developers. If your store is your entire business, this is a top contender. Of course, that level of service comes at a premium. Pricing for their managed platform starts at $50 a month. Our fourth contender is Nexcess, and they have a major seal of approval. They are an official WooCommerce hosting partner, and that right there tells you a whole lot about their commitment to making stores run well. What makes Nexcess so cool is its focus on features a store owner actually needs. The auto-scaling is a total lifesaver during flash sales, and the performance monitoring helps you stay on top of everything. They just get it. They really understand the needs of a growing e-commerce business. They're also priced super competitively with starter plans at just $8.40 a month, a great middle ground for stores that are really ready to scale up. Last but absolutely not least in our review is Kinsta. If raw, unadulterated speed is your #1 priority, Kinsta is built for you. Their entire platform runs on the Google Cloud's fastest architecture. Kinsta is all about that premium performance infrastructure. You're getting the best of the best from Google Cloud, incredibly powerful caching, and a global CDN, all of it backed by support from real WooCommerce experts. This is for businesses where every single millisecond of load time translates directly into dollars. And that performance is reflected in the price, with plans starting at $30 a month, placing it firmly in the high-performance tier. Okay, wow. We have covered a lot of ground. 5 huge contenders, each with their own unique strengths. So how in the world do you choose? Let's boil all this down into a simple, actionable guide. This slide right here, this is your decision-making cheat sheet. Just find your business profile on the left. If you're a startup or a small store, SiteGround offers just unbeatable value. If you're a growing business and you need to scale, you should be looking at Nexcess or Cloudways. And for the big enterprises and agencies that demand the absolute best, well, WP Engine and Kinsta are your go-to choices. See, it's all about matching the right tool to your specific needs and, of course, your budget. So you've solved for speed. Your site is going to be blazing fast. But I'll leave you with this final question for 2025. Once your site is fast, is your store where your customers spend most of their time? Is it in their pocket? Something to think about for your next big move. Thanks for watching.